Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about a brand new funding opportunity that will give you instant access to capital for your business without a credit check at all. There are no personal credit checks or business credit checks. This is strictly going to be based off of your business revenue and your business banking account history. So we're going to talk about how it works and more in this video. You can get up to $100,000. So stick around, watch the entire video so you get all of the requirements. And if you want to see more videos about all things business and personal finance, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when we release new videos. So it's a fast and quick process. You can get instant access within minutes. So you're going to apply online, whether you do it on your phone or on your laptop. You're going to answer a few questions, and then you are going to connect your bank account through the Plaid platform. So your business bank account will need to be connected. You do not have to have any documentation. So this is a no-doc loan. There are no setup fees, and there are automatic paybacks. So what they do is they connect your bank account and the money is automatically paid back. And it's going to depend on if you are on a weekly payment schedule or a daily payment schedule. So also the great thing about this is that you also will receive a discount on the rates if you pay back your loan faster. They also have a reward system. So you get rewarded by getting capital increases. So you get more capital over time as you pay back your first loan. You are able to get more and more capital. Also, they will be releasing a line of credit very soon. So you'll be able to get access to that after you pay back your first loan on time. And they also have payment skips. So if you need to skip a payment because an extra bill came up or an extra expense came up, you will be able to skip payments to help out with that. And also, if you need more than 12 weeks to pay back the loan, then you're able to get that if you have proven that you are able to pay the loan on time. So we are partnered with this company. The company is Loot. So we are partnered with this company. The company is called Loot. There will be a link down in the description box below for you to sign up and apply to see if you are eligible for a loan up to $100,000. The minimum requirements in order to get approved is that you'll need to be in business for at least 6 months and have a minimum of, it's actually $25,000 in annual sales. So this is why this is a great opportunity to help smaller businesses out that are not able to get funding anywhere else because of low revenue. So they're going to be updating this soon. This is actually $25,000 in annual sales, and then no minimum FICO because they aren't doing any hard credit checks on your personal credit. So it will not affect your personal credit. So again, link for this will be down in the description box below.